Now, another advantage to a camera that has this blending capability feature is the use of a laser pointer. We used to use laser pointers because we didn't know exactly where we were. And although laser pointers are not exactly dead on, the thing to remember is that they are not thermal in nature. They're visible light phenomena. In other words, I can't see it with an infrared camera, but I can see it with a visible light camera. That being said, notice here at full infrared, you don't see the laser pointer. If I move it down to visible light, you can see it very easily. Now think of the advantages then of having a camera where I can blend it down to 25% infrared. And so I can see that moisture signature, right? I can also see this handheld laser pointer. I've got that, I'm standing about 20 feet away, and I wanted to identify exactly where the top of that moisture signature is. And there it is on the wall. I can only do that if I have a camera that has that blending capability. Another instance where you might need something like that is, let's say there's a screw in the wall touching a hot water pipe, and eventually through electrolysis it'll spring a leak. So if you run hot water through the pipe, it's going to transfer through conduction. It's going to heat up the screw. Thermally, you'll see it with the camera, but you don't know exactly where it is on the wall. If you find a situation like that and you blend it down to your infrared down to 25%, guess what? You're going to see the hot screw. Let's pretend, for example, that that's a hot screw right there. I can see it. And then you can go over and nail it. Okay, so that's really a very practical application of this blending tool.